iEskom iyethulelo luhlelo oluzoba izigaba ezintathu lokuthengwa kwamandla ogesi okuzoba uhlelo lwemizamo yesikhashana ukuzama ukubhekana nenkinga yogesi ezweni. Ukucikicwa kwesivumelwano salolu hlelo kuyibeka endaweni enhle iEskom ukuthi ikwazi ukuthola umthamo wamandla ogesi maduzane ezinkampanini zabakhiqizi ezizimele.
The big thing is that under the standard offer, we've actually started signing up our first agreement this last week. So hopefully we will get additional capacity coming on very soon. And we're looking to, as I mentioned, try and roll that out and get more people interested in the program. And hopefully then that can, if we add up to a couple of 100 megawatts, maybe even pushing in a year's time, maybe 1,000 megawatts, we can avoid a lot of load shedding.
iEskom ibhekene nenselelo yokuthi kufanele isebenzise udizili omningi eziphehleni zayo ukukhiqiza amandla ogesi.
What is the avoided cost of generation for Eskom? So what would it cost us to generate the energy ourselves? If we can avoid that cost and buy it from someone else, we would give them that price. So instead of there being a big tender process where everyone has to submit bids, we basically say, here's our price. And if someone can sell to us at that price, we will buy it.
Ithi lesivumelwano sizoba nomthelela ongcono kakhulu emzamweni yokuqeda uhlelo lokucisha konga kogesi ezweni.